Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. Before we begin today's module, let us first recite our dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah lana hikmataka wanshur alayna rahmataka min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma inna nas'aluka rizqan tayyiba wa ilman nafi'a wa amalan mutaqabbala. Rabbish rahli sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Welcome to module 1.4, and in today's video we will go through the next few letters of the Arabic language. Alhamdulillah, if you are already in this video, it means that you have successfully completed self-revision 1.1. And I hope that you guys are able to read fluently, read it short and quickly. And at the same time, you guys do not hesitate when in terms of pronouncing each letter. Before we actually go through the letters, we will do a quick recap as per usual. Okay, as you can see from the screen here, these are the letters that you've already learned. I've written it down. Take a quick glance. Do you recognize all these letters? If there are some letters that you don't recognize or you forgot how it's being pronounced, my advice to you, same thing, go back. Go back to the previous modules, practice more, practice until you can remember clearly, inshallah. Okay, so as a recap, I will recite to you all these letters in a sequence. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kho, da, dha, ro, za, sa, sha, so, do, to, zo, ra, ro. One more time. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kho, da, dha, ro, za, sa, sha, so, do, to, zo, ra, ro. I'll do it one more time, and I hope that you are following along. Okay. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kho, da, dha, ro, za, sa, sha, so, do, to, zo, ra, ro. When you're going through the letters together, or even by yourself, if you cannot read from A until Ro using one breath, it's okay. That's not what's expected of you as for now, right? So don't be afraid to pause this video as you read along. Okay, that is for this sequence, and before we continue, I'll test you. That's a quick test. Let me bring this out. Zoom in a little bit. Okay. Can you pronounce these two letters? A, ra. A, ra. Next one. Oh, I'll just erase this. Can you pronounce these two letters? Tha, sa. Tha, sa. Next two. What about these two? These two is the, za. The, za. Next one. Can you read these two letters for me? Okay, this is read as kho, ro. Kho, ro. Ooh. What about these two? The first one is to and ta. To, ta. Can you read these three letters? To, ba, sha. To, ba, sha. We'll do two more exercise. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, yeah. Can you read these three letters? Okay, these are the letters a, ra, zo. A, ra, zo. I really hope you guys can forgive me for my handwriting. Sometimes, you know, the whiteboard doesn't detect my pen. Not giving it as an excuse, but that's what's going on. Okay, last one. Can you read these three letters? It's kho, ta, ba. Okay, before we go through today's letter, let's just do a quick summary of all the letters that we've learned from the beginning in sequence. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kho, da, tha, ro, za, sa, sha, so, do, to, zo, ra, ro, fa. Oh, you haven't learned fa. That's what we'll be learning later. One more time. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kho, da, tha, ro, za, sa, sha, so, do, to, zo, ra, ro. Yes, great. If up until this point you are not able to go through in sequence, you have not memorized it yet, do not progress. Go through all the modules again, keep practicing, and remember, do not rush. Do not rush your learning. All right, we will, and that's it for today's recap. We will go through today's modules. Let me zoom out a bit. These are the letters that you will be learning today, and these are the letters that you will need to practice below. The letters are fa, ko, ka, la, ma. Fa, ko, ka, la, ma. So this letter ko here, okay, just take note. Let me write it down there. Hold on. Oop. Why do I have this? Okay. Take note of this letter. Ko. Ko. Kho. And also ro. These three letters sometimes sound similar. That's why when you practice, try to differentiate all these three pronunciation. Ko, kho, ro. Ko, kho, ro. Right. Okay, back to the module. So these are the letters that you need to practice. The letters are fa, ko, ka, la, ma. Fa, ko, ka, la, ma. Fa, ko, ka, la, ma. Simple, right? It's way simpler than so, do, to, zo, ra, ro. So practice below all these letters, these 5 letters, and once you've mastered all the letters, you've memorized all the letters from A all the way until Ma, I will see you at the next module, module 1.5. Assalamu alaikum.